Totally got my Knickey's box that I wanted to do an unboxing. I'm gonna see if I can beat the camera. So here we go. I'm so excited. It literally got here so fast, like less than a week, I think. Look, sweet cheeks, cute. Can you see that? Where are you? I love this. Look, can you see this? Come on. Look how cute this is. I love this. So I got the starter pack because I just did not know what the heck I was doing. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a sucker for brief and these hipsters. So I'm super stoked. I got to choose all of the colors. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, because the last time that I talked to you guys about Knickey, I had just received my starter pack. So you guys saw that there was a low rise thong. It is super comfy, and I'll say for your lip area, say that size is like true. It's comforted and supported all around. Love that. I love that. I'm wearing them, so I enjoy them. Second one is the low rise bikini. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of low rise. I didn't have any problem, any issues, any complaints. Besides that, I'm personally, like, low rise is not for me. Knickey is literally spot on. A small is a small, a medium is a medium, and a large will be a large. I think I enjoyed every single pair. Next is the high rise brief, and I'll be honest, okay, I love high rise, but not in my underwear. For me, I had a medium, as you can see. It was more, these are more like nighttime underwear, or they could be like period underwear as granny panties. Even after their first wash, I did follow what they require. I did it in cold. I let them air dry. They stayed the same color. And next is mid-rise briefs. I enjoy these. Mid-rise for me, I think is like the perfect rise. I think it's the perfect rise for me, of course. And I honestly enjoyed this color, this like salmony pink. Go Knickey. Oh my god, these hipsters were my favorite. Like, okay, hold on. And that's funny. They're actually my #1 choice out of 1 through 5. Reaction was, oh my gosh, I feel like I don't have any underwear on. I felt so commando, and I enjoyed that. They're literally like my go-to. They're just super comfy. Like, you can wear them literally just about for any event. If you do decide to try these, let me know which one was your favorite pair. My #1 was the hipsters, the mid-rise hipsters, and honestly my 1 and 2 were all mid-rise. I don't know if you caught that, but again, mid-rise for me is my fave. Check out Knickey. I will be leaving a link down in the description. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here because I'm done talking about undies. That's really all I had to say for these 5 pairs of undies from Knickey. Again, this video is not sponsored, but you guys can totally go and like spam them to sponsor me, because I will be dropping more content for you guys. If you guys can also leave a comment down below as to what type of content you actually are enjoying to see, or type of products you're interested in me reviewing, let me know, and I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned, guys. Bye. I know I have been away for I think it's been a full month now. I'm gonna be honest, I do that. There are times that I just need to, you know, kind of like take a break off the camera, just be in the present moment and just spend time with my dogs and my honey. I actually just launched my website, Spoiled Doggo's House. biscottis and biscuits for your doggos, of course. And I offer a few pet care services in certain areas.